Hi, it's Mike.
In this video we're going to have a look at a few more Microsoft Word shortcuts. So the first one, if you highlight a word, right click and then go to search, it will bring up web results. So the top is images, and then if you scroll down it's got other results for websites, and you can also filter here. Okay, so the next one is if you press Control and backspace, it will delete an entire word. The next one is if you hold Control and roll the mouse in and out, you can zoom. And the next one, highlight some text and press Control and spacebar and it will remove all the formatting. Control and K will insert a link, and you can change the text up here. And what this does, it inserts a link into the text. As you can see, you can press Control and click the link and that will open the website. Control and F will search, so if you type something in there and it will find the word in your document.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.